I'm about to say one of the most obvious statements you've ever heard. Are you ready? There are a ton of materials and compounds that go into the creation of a tire. It's really something to behold. But do you even know what you're selling? Take tires for example. What are they made of? It's important to understand what goes into making the tires that you sell, like the raw materials used in manufacturing. In this video, we take a closer look at some of the raw materials that make up tires. Raw materials are defined as materials or substances used in the primary production or manufacturing of goods. When it comes to tire creation, a combination of raw materials makes a product that can stand up to the elements. Chemists and engineers want to get a perfect recipe for whatever tire they're making. By understanding the properties and functions of the main materials that make up a tire, tire dealers can sell tires to meet the specific needs of different customers' vehicles and driving habits. For example, a tire's rubber compound affects its traction and durability. Different rubber compounds may provide a better grip and wear out quicker, while others may provide the tire with long-lasting tread life. The most common raw materials used in tire production include natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, steel, and polyester. For this video, let's focus on these. Natural rubber is the primary raw material used in tire production. It's a sticky, elastic material harvested from the sap of rubber trees and is an essential component of tires because of its ability to provide traction and durability. Synthetic rubber is man-made and often used in combination with natural rubber to enhance the tire's grip, durability, and resistance to extreme temperatures. Many manufacturers use synthetic rubber to enhance other properties for the tire like longevity and rolling resistance. Carbon black is a fine black powder made by burning oil or natural gas with limited air. It's used in tire production to increase durability and resistance to abrasion. Carbon black also helps reduce heat buildup in the tire, expanding its lifespan, and makes the tire black. Steel is one of the primary materials used in the production, thanks to its strength and durability. In tire manufacturing, steel wires or cords are used to create steel belts and tire beads. Polyester is a synthetic fiber that is commonly used in tire production as cord fabric in the tire's sidewall. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire service and shop operations videos. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.